Alright, just a few little tips on misfires in your vehicle. So the first thing you're going to want to check, this is not going to solve every issue, this is just a few tips. You're going to want to check your battery voltage. Bad battery voltage or the alternator not charging the battery could cause a misfire. Spark plug gap. If your gap is off, it's going to cause misfires, okay? But recently, the reason why I'm doing this video was the biggest culprit, and it's easily overlooked, your alternator belt tension. Make sure it's tensioned properly. It's very finicky on a 2002 Hyundai Accent. I noticed I had everything gapped properly. That belt was not slipping. It didn't sound like it was slipping, but it was loose. I tightened it, made it tighter than it already was. The misfires went away. The symptoms of the misfiring was at a stop while in drive, and I went to go take off. It felt like the vehicle was stumbling and there was a loss of power. I'm under the impression that stumbling came from the alternator belt, which is your drive belt, right, on this vehicle. Wasn't tensioned enough. It was causing a misfire on cylinder 1. I was getting a P0301. I reset the code. It would always come back, and it always came back, this code. Or it would start stumbling, and the check engine light would start flashing, signifying, and the reason why I was flashing the check engine light was because there was a misfire taken off. It was that belt. That drive belt on the alternator was not tight enough, even though it was not squealing. That was causing this engine to misfire. Got 217,000 miles on this engine. Does need valve stem seals because it is burning oil, of course, at a high mileage, but runs great, gets me to work, cheap. Just wanted to share the video. For anybody struggling, if you have any questions, drop it in the comments, and of course subscribe.